guys? What's up, guys? It's Shani here, back in my video. Today, we are doing a mukbang with Chinese food.
Yes, honey, Chinese food. Today on the menu she has, what do you have?
I have sweet and sour sauce, which I put on the sweet and sour chicken.
Yeah, well, you have sweet and sour chicken with sweet and sour sauce. We have chicken with sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah. And then I have the fried rice with mixed vegetables in it.
And an egg roll.
And egg roll.
Okay, Raven, what do you have?
I have chicken fried rice and an egg roll with soy sauce.
And I have chicken wings, egg roll, sesame chicken, rice, sweet and sour sauce, broccoli on the side here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and say our prayers. Rayon.
Lord, I ask us to cover this food. Lord, I thought of the nourishment to our mind, body, and soul. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. All right, guys, we're about to get eating because I am starving. Y'all like some?
Yeah, I can't open this. It probably doesn't like me.
Oh, egg roll. Good. Good.
I love that.
Dip it right in that sauce right there. Ah, some of my goodness came out. That's okay. More sauce for me. So good.
I really like the egg roll.
Yeah, that egg roll on 10.
Nope. More sweet and sour sauce. Guys, comment down below if you ever had Chinese food and what is your favorite thing.
Like egg rolls, crab ragoon, fried wonton, chicken wings.
What is that like that? Nice and crunchy.
Oh my lord.
They're just raw scissors.
I don't know, but I have been craving their
Fried chicken.
The whole ride. We just figuring out what we want to eat. And then we were about to pass this Chinese food, and Mom said, "Oh, we can go to this Chinese place beside Subway." I said, "Okay." And I'm glad that we could go because this is really good.
I love duck sauce on my rice. Sometimes I smother, sometimes I won't. And I also like the mustard, the hot mustard. Give a little kick. But what do you like? Nice and hot.
She gave me 8 packs of duck sauce.
Usually you get over like 2 or 3.
Yeah. Need the spoon. Oh, spoon.
Mmm. 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 She's mmm. Never tried it on my chicken before.
Check what?
Mustard.
To be honest, I don't like mustard. Point blank. Period. Hot mustard. Sweet mustard.
I don't like that.
I don't like what? The mustard chicken.
Mmm.
This is gonna take a whole lot because they basically gave me a whole lot of rice.
But then you should want to wait, like mix that up first because it's gonna suck up all your sauce. Then you're not gonna have any, so eat some of that first. Mm.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix them everything.
Excuse me. Mm. They say most of the flavor in this part. Mm-hmm. I like this part. Mm.
But in that other video, where we were trying to burp,
I was burping. You weren't burping. This is a food burp challenge. Want piece of chicken? You're looking like it.
I wasn't thinking about
Yeah,
it.
it is.
Uh-uh.
Want a piece of chicken? Mm.
that's good.
Well, I know it is. Well, I didn't know, but now I know that I can go there. But I want some chicken! Because I usually only want Chinese chicken when I'm craving chicken. But I haven't been able to find it. But now, oh, but now, so dang good.
We should have grabbed napkins.
So that's the one thing we don't ever have in our house. I ate my egg roll too fast. So that was bomb.
I'm gonna wait it out, because when the last bite comes, the egg roll, I'm gonna be sad.
Can I take one of these?
Look, before the video started, she took one. Look,
I ain't do it all that many times. Mmm. Mmm. You copy me? Want to do that? Mm. Sound like my husband's coming home.
It is.
That's her.
Yeah, stop eating. Don't eat that much, y'all. Because I'm going to have to cut all this out.
I need to open this. I can't open it. Please open it.
Oops, excuse Roberto, that's for you. Like all these burps, I know you asked me for a burp video. So this one will be compiled with eating and burping. So if y'all hear any noise in the background, that's my husband. He just walked through the door. So that's the extra noise you're gonna be hearing. I'm sorry.
She's doing the fucking challenge.
I love my Diet Pepsi. Don't come for me. I'm still gonna drink it regardless to what you say about aspartame and all that. I'm still gonna drink it, so whatever. Anybody? Still gonna drink it.
My hands are sticky from the sweet and sour sauce.
Broccoli. Excuse me.
Have you eaten your chicken yet?
Yeah. I've been eating some. Pretty darn tasty. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
I'm honestly like kind of surprised
You want
that I didn't get the sesame chicken.
Huh?
I'm honestly kind of surprised that I didn't get the sesame chicken. So I haven't had it in like years.
Mm-hmm.
And I always used to get that.
You ain't dipping that. Try to dip it. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, my Lord. Look at that, look at that drip. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Baby, Jesus, thank you. Whoo! Tastes like the first bite. So good. So good. Baby Jesus. Food dance.
I'm joking. That's not how to do it alcohol.
So. So good.
The weird thing is, it was just pouring down raining this morning, and now it's not. It's not raining at all.
I'm sorry guys, I'm not talking a whole lot, but this food is just good. You look full. That's a big piece of chicken.
Split it in half. That's not half. That chicken's good.
Again.
You haven't been doing a whole lot of talking about it, alright?
She don't talk much when she ain't eating.
I know.
Okay, guys. I'm about full here.
I feel like after on the video, she's actually starving.
Well, I ate like a madman.
Big bites.
Millie rock. Millie rock. Millie
No.
rock. Millie.
No.
Millie rock.
No.
Millie rock. No? You just mad because I can twerk.
What does that have to do with anything?
Okay.
No.
No? Poke.
No. You don't poke on the face, you poke in the
I'm
shoulder.
trying to poke on his cheek.
No.
I'm trying to poke him.
No.
Poke.
No.
Poke. Oh. Alright, guys. I'm gonna make this my last bite. A nice big one. And we're gonna put some of this on there. Nice big bite. Oh, excuse me.
Painful.
Alright, here you go. Mm. 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 dust. I should have heard them got on my food.
Have you guys ever seen the movie Bird Box? It's a good movie. It's kind of.
Alright guys, so I'm sorry we didn't talk a lot for y'all. Got a little after candy from Chinese store. I'm gonna eat a little sweet. But we're sorry we didn't talk a lot for you guys. But maybe in our next video we will do more talking. And Roberto, this was the burp challenge. I wanted to see if I could burp eating food and soda. So as you can see, I've had plenty of burps. So I hope you like that. The switch up from just sodas. They're still eating. So while they're still eating, I am going to take this time to say thank you to all the new subbies, everybody who subscribed to our channel, everybody who's constantly liking, giving feedback, giving thumbs up. We do appreciate you, and we are noticing those things. So we had our first goal of 50 subscribers. We finally met that goal. So guess what we're doing now, guys? We're doing a Cash App giveaway. Yes, I said a Cash App giveaway. A Cash App giveaway. All you gotta do, this video right here, like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you know every time your girl Q is eating something, you also can eat with me. In the comment section below, put your Cash App tag in there, and guess what? We're gonna randomly select somebody to win that giveaway. Cash App giveaway. Cash App giveaway. We giving Cash App giveaway. But yeah, we wanted to do something just to give back. So we do have that as soon as I said on social media, posted on my Taco Bell, but if you're here, post it on this one too. So I just know, I'll check that one too, but post on here your Cash App tag. And if you're a new subby, put the Cash App tag, and put new subby, and then we know too. So, but anyways, we love you guys. Peace.